Welcome to Beautyistic, where we blend beauty science with real-world expertise to bring you honest, expert-level product reviews. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Glow Tint. This product promises to deliver that perfect luminous glow, and today we're going to see if it lives up to the hype. Now, the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Glow Tint is a liquid formula designed to give you a healthy, dewy complexion with a luminous finish. It's available in a range of shades, and we're specifically looking at 28N Light Medium Neutral, which suits light to medium skin tones with a mix of warm and cool undertones. This product is touted to be suitable for all skin types, which is a big claim for a glow product. The formula is infused with maracuja oil, which is a natural ingredient known for its hydrating properties. This makes it an interesting option for those who want to add a touch of glow while also keeping their skin nourished. The product has a luminous finish, which is exactly what you'd expect from a glow tint. But how does it actually perform on the skin? I tested this product a few different ways to really get a feel for it. The application process is simple. Just squeeze a bit onto the back of your hand and then dot it onto your face. You can blend it in using a dense brush or your fingers, but I found that fingers worked best for me to get that soft, airbrushed look. It blended beautifully into my skin and really did give me a fresh, healthy glow without being too shimmery. One thing I really appreciated was that it didn't feel greasy or heavy on the skin. Even though it's designed to add a glow, it didn't leave me with that sticky feeling that some other dewy products tend to do. It absorbed quickly, and I felt like I could build it up to my desired level of luminosity. I did try it in different conditions, including in the morning when I was heading out for a long day and during an evening out. Throughout the day, the tint held up well, and the glow stayed intact. However, by the end of the evening, I did notice a slight fade, but nothing major. For those with oily skin, this might need a touch-up throughout the day, but for dry or normal skin types, it's pretty solid. Now, let's get into the pros and cons of this product. Pros. The Tarte Maracuja Juicy Glow Tint blends effortlessly and gives a natural-looking, luminous finish. The formula is hydrating, thanks to the maracuja oil, so it's great for dry or combination skin. It's versatile enough to be used on its own for a fresh look or layered with other products. It's lightweight and doesn't feel greasy, making it a great option for people who are wary of heavy, dewy formulas. Cons. While the product is great for dry and normal skin, I could see it potentially not working as well for those with very oily skin, as the glow might feel too much by the afternoon. The shade range, while decent, could be more inclusive for deeper skin tones. When it comes to value for money, Tarte is definitely on the pricier side, but this product is very much in line with what you'd expect from a high-end beauty brand. The maracuja oil is an expensive ingredient, and the formula delivers on its promise of hydration and luminosity. Given its performance and the brand's reputation for quality ingredients, the price feels justified if you're looking for something that combines skincare benefits with a radiant glow. In terms of alternatives, if you're on a budget, there are a few more affordable products that offer a similar luminous finish, like the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation, which gives a similar dewy glow at a fraction of the price. However, if you're after something that's skincare infused, the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Glow Tint does have the edge with that added hydrating boost. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is sleek and functional. Nothing groundbreaking, but it does the job. The squeeze tube is easy to use and ensures you can control the amount of product you're dispensing, which is important with something that has a liquid consistency. To sum it up, the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Glow Tint is a solid product for anyone looking for a lightweight, glowing tint that feels like skincare. If you have dry or normal skin, I think you'll love how this gives your skin that healthy, radiant look without feeling heavy or sticky. However, if you have oily skin, you might want to test it before committing, as the glow could be a little too much for some. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.